How to log in Smule account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your Smule application on your mobile device. Soon after opening, you need to select your preferred language over here and tap on OK. After that, according to the selection of your preferred language, you'll be able to see the options over here. You can either log in with your Facebook, Google, or you can also enter your email address and password, and after that you can directly log into your account. Here I am continuing with Google. If you have selected for Google, then you have to choose an account with which you want to log into your Smule account. After that, you can see I have been logged in of my account. In order to see your account, you have to tap on the profile option in the right bottom corner, and you'll be able to see your profile. So by following this simple step, you can log in Smule account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.